Hi, YouTube.
This is AJ from JK Loren Salon, a hairstylist. I'm coming to you today for our new videos. And I know you're like, she's a hairstylist, her hair is not done, what's going on? Well, I'm coming to you to let you know that JK Loren Salon is more than just beauty, it's also health. I have something called fibromyalgia, which is a nerve disorder, and it affects all your nerves. It doesn't define me, but it just makes me aware of what health we need to do. So, with so many medications out there, we need to find a way to make it through the pain. Beauty is one thing, but health is another. So, I invite you all to come on my journey with weight loss, health tips, beauty tips, everything. And I will see you all soon. Following will be a collage of some work that we've done. We'll also show you my face all made up, show my hair done. I love to do custom wigs. So, hi, welcome to our channel. Bye bye.